It's Key Auto Gravity. Today we got a BMW 335 here with the BMW original CCC system. Let's have a quick look. We installed Apple CarPlay. This is the original CCC system, BMW first iDrive system. We got a Apple CarPlay installed, and it's in the glove box with the USB there. So we connect the USB with the iPhone. First, always make sure the sound output is via AUX. So go to the entertainment and select the AUX as the sound output. Then we long press the menu button for 3 seconds. We'll switch to the Apple CarPlay interface. So you can see it's pretty clear, easy to use. Use the controller scroll around. You know, maps. Obviously, you can use Google Map because the phone only got the iOS pre-searching. So after iOS searching, it will have Google Map. That's the Apple Map, you know. Then we got all sorts of features here. Podcast, Spotify, maybe Spotify. Spotify music here with the music details. See, easy to use. What else? Radio, yeah, we can listen to the internet radio. And we installed the reverse camera there, so put the reverse. That's it. The steering wheel works, and also the sensors there. Excellent result. Excellent, to be honest. That's really good. Beautifully done.